Have you ever found yourself lost in the dream of a modern farmhouse living room? All that clean-lined comfort, that beautiful blend of rustic and refined, only to look around your own cozy, compact space and think, how on earth could that ever work in here? If you've ever felt that pinch of inspiration followed by the practicality panic, you are absolutely not alone. For years, farmhouse style screamed sprawling kitchens and vaulted ceilings. It felt like a language only big spaces could speak. Well, I'm here to tell you that the conversation has changed dramatically. Welcome to Modern Farmhouse 2026, the cozy chapter. This isn't about squeezing a large-scale theme into a small box. This is a complete reinvention. We're leaving behind the cold, generic whites and moving towards something richer, warmer, and infinitely more personal. This is about lived-in maximalism, where every piece has purpose and soul. It's about the new Rustic, a vibe that feels collected, not decorated. And over the next few minutes, we're not just sharing tips, we're unlocking a new mindset. We're going to transform cozy from a compromise into your greatest design superpower. We'll explore 5 revolutionary style hacks that use color, texture, and intelligent design to make your small living room feel like a deeply personal, surprisingly spacious sanctuary. This is where cottagecore charm meets urban savvy. So if you're ready to fall in love with your space all over again, to create a home that tells your story, let's dive into the 2026 rules of small space modern farmhouse. The 2026 farmhouse mindset. Beyond the cliché. First, let's reset what modern farmhouse means for 2026. The cold, all-white, barn door everything look is officially taking a back seat. What's replacing it? A style we're calling the new Rustic. This is about lived-in maximalism, not clutter, but curated character. It's warm, intentional, and authentic. Think of it as blending that beloved cottagecore charm with a modern, sophisticated edge. The goal for a small space isn't to fill it with tiny farmhouse knickknacks. It's to create a sanctuary that feels grounded, connected to nature, and deeply personal. In 2026, we're prioritizing comfort, sustainability, and storytelling over strict themes. Your small living room shouldn't look like a showroom. It should feel like a warm, collected hug. Hack number 1, the 2026 color strategy. Go Moody and Monochromatic. Let's talk color, the most powerful tool in your small space arsenal. Forget the fear that dark colors shrink a room. In 2026, we're using them to add depth and sophistication. Hack number 1. Embrace moody, earthy tones. Swap out cool grays for warm, grounding colors. We're talking deep forest green, navy blue, burnt terracotta, or smoky, muddied shades of plum and rust. Paint just one feature wall, behind your sofa or a built-in shelf, to create an instant focal point that draws the eye in, making the room's dimensions feel more intriguing. And here's a pro tip for the bold: color drenching. That means using a single, rich, earthy shade on your walls, trim, and even ceiling. This seamless flow eliminates visual breaks and can actually make a small room feel larger and more cocoon-like. Pair it with textures in similar tones, like a velvet pillow or a chunky knit blanket for a layered designer look. Hack number 2. The furniture and layout blueprint: float and focus. Furniture layout in a small room is everything. The old rule of pushing everything against the walls? Let's break it. Hack number 2. Float your furniture and define a clear focal point. Start by floating your key-seeking piece, your sofa or love seat, away from the walls. This creates a sense of movement and space around it, making the room feel airier. Ensure all your pathways are clear and unobstructed. Flow is king in a small space. Next, choose one non-negotiable focal point. This could be that moody accent wall, a beautiful stone-top coffee table, or a stunning statement light fixture. When you have one strong anchor, it organizes the entire room and reduces visual noise. Every other piece of furniture and decor should have a conversation with that focal point. This creates a zoned, intentional feel, even in an open plan area. Hack number 3. The material mixology. Texture is everything. This is where the modern farmhouse magic happens. The 2026 rule is confident contrast. Hack number 3. Master the mix of raw and refined. This is the heart of the rustic modern revival. Pair the raw, Ica reclaimed wood coffee table or a jute rug, with the refined, like a sleek leather sofa or a marble side table. In your small space, this interplay creates so much visual interest that no one will be thinking about the square footage. Layer at least 3 different textures in your main seating area. For example, a linen sofa slipcover, a sheepskin throw, woven rattan baskets for storage, and ceramic or blackened steel lamps. This tactile richness is what makes a space feel lived in and luxurious at the same time. Hack number 4. Vertical and intelligent storage, your secret weapon. Clutter is the enemy of small space serenity, but storage doesn't have to be boring. Hack number 4. Build up, not out, and choose concealed storage. Look up. Your walls are prime real estate. Install floating shelves in a natural wood tone or a fluted design, a huge 2026 detail. But here's the key. Don't just fill them. Curate them. Display a few meaningful personal items, a handmade pottery piece, a stack of favorite books, a sculptural plant. This is function over fashion with soul. And while open shelving had its moment, 2026 is leaning towards sleek, concealed storage. Opt for a modern media console or a cabinet with clean lines to tee away everyday items. The goal is to have a place for everything, keeping your surfaces clear and calm. Hack number 5. The lighting and finishing layer, jewelry for your room. Lighting in 2026 is the jewelry of your room. It's a focal point, not an afterthought. Hack number 5. Layer your lighting with purpose. You need 3 types: ambient, overall light, task for weeding, and accent to highlight art or texture. In a small farmhouse space, skip the generic dome light. Choose a statement pendant or a chandelier that blends materials, like black iron with brass or woven rattan. It sets the style tone immediately. Then, layer in warm, dimmable table and floor lamps. Place them in corners to push the walls visually outward. And don't forget natural light. Use sheer curtains and creamy neutrals to diffuse light beautifully and enhance that airy, welcoming atmosphere. This layered glow is what creates that dreamy room effect we're all craving. And there you have it, your 2026 guide to a modern farmhouse living room that works brilliantly in a small space. Remember, embrace Moody depth, float your furniture, mix textures with confidence, build smart vertical storage, and layer your lighting like a pro. This new rustic style is all about creating a cozy personal sanctuary that feels both timeless and totally fresh. What's your favorite hack from today? Are you team color drench or team statement light? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you reimagine your small space, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more 2026 design trends and hit the bell so you don't miss what's next. Until then, happy decorating, and I'll see you in the next video.